friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is a salad. Yes, a salad doesn't have to be always boring and tasteless. Rather, it's very flavorful and a perfect party starter. So let's dive into the ingredient list. My first ingredient is 12 hard-boiled eggs. For this recipe, the egg needs to be hard-boiled. 1 cup of celery finely chopped, half of a medium-sized onion finely chopped, half cup of coriander leaves finely chopped, and here I have 2 potatoes which I have diced into small cubes and boiled them. Next I need 2 apples which I am going to dice right now. 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. You can use mustard sauce or kasundi also. Half cup of sour cream and around 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And some salt and pepper to taste. To start preparing the salad, we need to chop our eggs. For that, I'll be cutting them into 8 equal parts. But if you don't want to cut them, you can just smash them with a fork also. I have chopped all my eggs and now I'm just going to transfer it directly to the salad bowl. Next I'll start off with the apples. These apples are kid size apples, but if you have full size apples then you can add only 1 apple instead of 2. I'm going to peel them first. Peel both the apples and now I'm going to chop them. I'm going to remove the core in between and chop them into small pieces like this. So here are all my apples finely chopped and I'm going to add them to the salad bowl directly. If you don't like apples, you can omit this, but somehow I feel this adds a very nice sweet texture to my salad. Next I'm going to add in the boiled potatoes, chopped onions, celery, coriander leaves. Traditionally, dill or chives are used in egg salad, but I prefer coriander leaves. Next, I am going to season it with some salt and pepper. Salt. And I am going to give a quick mix now. And now I'm going to prepare the dressing. For the dressing, I'm going to add in the sour cream. If you want, you can use yogurt also instead. Mustard sauce. And finally, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm just eyeballing it. And I'm going to mix all these ingredients together well. My dressing is also ready, and the last step is to pour the dressing over the salad and give it a good mix. After tossing my salad, it's ready, but before serving it, do check in the seasoning. And now I'm going to move on to plate it. My egg salad is ready. There are multiple ways you can serve this salad. For instance, you can use it as a filling in between your sandwich or a filling for your puff pastry sheets. The choice is endless. And on that note, let's end the video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.